Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. This is a peek behind the scenes for the small paper pad for March. I think this is March. We'll see. This is Seascapes and Sand. It's made by Hot Off the Press, which is an Oregon company, but Rhonda sent this to me from California, and I'm in Oregon. And it is beachy. Oh, look at that. When you try different brands, you experience all sorts of different things. Maybe this should be a mini journal. This is the only 6x6 I've ever seen where they're connected like that and they fold. So we have 3 of those, 4 of those. It'd be a little repetitive for a mini unless we made a couple different ones. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It would be really cute though. So I'm thinking we're going to have 4 of each. And in this moment, I'm like, oh, okay, I was thinking we would open this up and make cards. We have an opportunity here that I didn't expect. So I might have to think about it. Oh, 4 pages of sentiments, really? Wow. Well, that kind of is a curveball in my journal plan too. Oh, look at that. Okay, we have to use some of that. So we're not using 4 pages of the sentiments. I'm going to back you out a little because I think you're in too close. There you go. Okay, so what if we say maybe we want 2 of the sentiments because we could use think happy, happy day, wish big. Some of these are just cute. And then we could make like a happy birthday or just for you. I don't know. I might only want 1 sheet of the sentiments. So maybe we use 1 sheet of the sentiments, several of these. Now we could also just take these pages, still make a journal, but cover this up because we could place, I don't know if tea-dyed paper would be thick enough, but it might. Let's try it. I have a green. Well, it once was blue, but it turns out green. Oh, here's a more blue version. It would, it barely shows. Nobody would notice. Let's see about regular copy paper. It does show quite a bit, but I bet you can't see it. And by the time you decorated or wrote on it, like if you stamped a border and then put it, I don't think anybody would really notice. Okay, well, now I'm stumped, Rhonda. Good job. So it says 24 coordinating sheets, 6x6 sheets, includes 72 cutouts, double-sided cardstock. There's no hint in here. I don't know how you would tell that it is not sliced in the middle. It has other stuff to go with it, too. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to have to think about this. I'm glad I opened it up and looked at it ahead of the deadline. Oh, it would be a really cute journal, wouldn't it? I could use a beachy journal too. I think I'm gonna sit down, drink some coffee and think about it. I might also look through my stash too and see if I already have a beachy journal or if I want to make another one, because this would be a gorgeous journal page, but it would be an amazing card too. This is a hard life. Clearly. Oh, look at this one too. This would be really neat. You could put your sentiment up here in the ocean. Maybe a combo. Maybe a little tiny mini journal and then some cards. I'll be back. Here's the progress that I've made. I've decided to make a mini album. I think it's a journal. It's a mini journal. And I'm using 3 signatures. You know I like a lot of variety, but what I decided to do was the 3 signatures sort of repeat. And I just love this paper so much, I used it as the main one. We'll look at the pages at the very end, just so I don't mess these up. Then these will be the covers and leftover for cards. Look, they were scored or perforated or something in the middle, so this one fell apart because I played with it too much. So I did put masking tape in the middle of the other ones as I was assembling my book. Then I think these will be the cover of the book, and then maybe we'll use these to make pockets or something. I am following, well, let's just say if it doesn't turn out well, it's not Debbie's fault. But if you want to make gorgeous mini photo albums and scrapbook albums and folios, Project 39 mini albums, she makes amazing things. And I've made a couple things over the years watching her tutorials. So I went back, tried to find the tutorial that I watched, kind of get an idea, just to brush up. So if it doesn't go well, it's not her fault. Okay, because I didn't go back and watch the whole video. I have 2 big pieces of cardstock I've glued together, and then I'm going to glue this all together and chop it down and then fold this around, and then, oh, I need paper for the inside too. I probably have enough. We'll make it work. That's the last thing I recorded. I hope you saw the small pad video so you know how the project turned out. Bye-bye.